No Limit. We back, man. We back with another one. Today we got KSI. Really Love featuring Craig David and Digital Farm Animals. Now I saw a thing, story that KSI posted on YouTube, and he said that it was a lifelong, dream of his working with Craig David, and basically, he looked up to him as when he was a kid. It was like one of his favorite artists. So this is dope right here, man. Shout out to KSI for this. I love to see, that's one thing. I feel like it don't matter who it is, man. If you hate to see anybody win, you a hater, man, period. Even if it's a person I don't particularly care for, which I don't hate for anybody, man. I don't have hate for anybody in my heart. If I got problems with somebody, we can settle it right there face to face. We could throw hands. Whatever you want to do, bro, but I'm not going to hold hate in anybody from my heart. I'm not going to give you understand me? Listen, now, peep game now, man. I'm telling y'all, man. I'm going to school you, man. Don't let anybody live rent-free in your head, you understand me? If you hating somebody and you're thinking about them more than you should, you're letting them live rent-free in your head. Like, you're making them more relevant than they are, by you thinking about it. That's another person just thinking about them, talking about them. Like they say, all publicity is good publicity, man. Even if you're talking shit, you're keeping them relevant, bro. Straight up. So, yeah, no, but yeah, man, I'm fucking around. But for real though, man, I mess with KSI heavy. If y'all don't know, KSI stands for knowledge, strength, and integrity. And yeah, I'm not too sure about the knowledge part, but. No, I just made it around, man. He jokes about that all the time, him and the Sidemen, but yeah, he's just a funny dude, man. He's funny, genuine, real, recognized real. So, he's not necessarily that type, but yeah, he's just a cool dude, man. Point blank, period. But other than that, man, I'm not gonna hold you any longer. We'll go ahead and jump straight into this. Y'all ready? I'm ready, man. Let's go. Oh shit, bro, these graphics, first of all, insane. Second of all, I thought I was watching a movie right here, man. Look at this. Y'all know the mountain in the beginning of the movie where it has the stars that come over and what does it say, Universal or whatever? Yeah, man, it looks just like that, but with the snow. This shit's fire, bro. I mean, this looks better than real life. Like, I don't like it's 4K, it gotta be, but like, how do they do where it looks better than a 4K, better than any camera, better than your eyes look in real life? Like, what the hell? Yeah, I know what I mean, man. I don't understand it. Well, that's CGI. Look how real, dude, this looks. I mean, maybe they got a 4K camera on a drone right here or something. I don't know. Or it's just all CGI. I don't know, bro. But this shit's dope. This looks like a drone shot to me, but I could be completely wrong, I'm not that well versed on, being able to tell what it's. I mean, usually you can tell if it's computer graphics or CGI or not, but this, it to me, it looks like a drone shot, man. Nowadays, shit looks so good, you can't. You know what I mean? Yeah, because they could take a. I'm sorry for pausing like y'all, but you know what? No, I'm not sorry. I'm going to do as much as I want, man. It's my fucking reaction channel. Fuck out of here. Anyway, man, they could take a drone shot, right, flying this way, this direction, and take that video and just speed it up. And that's how they get it to look like this, like flying over really fast. You know what I mean? Oh, shit. Oh shit. Now this is funny because I know there's no way in hell he would ever do this. But he's always doing something crazy in his videos. What did yeah. It's funny. Prime if you wanna get something. No Valentine. Got a lot of time for the one that I'm watching. I'm in prime if you wanna get something. No Valentine, but my heart beat pumping. Amazon Prime if you want to get something. No Valentine, but my heart be pumping. Yo, man, I'm recognizing, man, KSI, he's getting better and better with the bars, man. Better and better at writing, you know? And he don't have no ghostwriter, Jake, you know what I mean? Nah, I'm trolling, man, but...
Watching, I'm in Prime if you want to get something. No Valentine, but my heart be pumping. Pumping.
Yeah, he just let go and standing sideways on the ice mountain.
Got plenty views if you hang around me. So many hearts if you see the IG. So many times by the people that I raced to my record look great like Muhammad Ali. I'm trying to get wavy. On holiday, I'm one of this daily. Man's great when he's wearing that paisley. Still great cause my living now pays me. Don't cook for my chef like Ainsley.
Did my man just drink himself? Yo, this shot right here is dope, bro. With the snow and the the cabin, you know. The Alaska vibes, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go right here, you know what I'm saying? She got a dead stare, don't she? She like she about to kill somebody, bro.
When he's wearing that paisley, still great cause my living now pays me. Don't cook for my chef like Ainsley. No look tin when I'm shooting my baby. Top striker, I'm hardly missing.
Wait,
chef
what?
like Ainsley. No look tin when I'm shooting my baby. Top striker, I'm hardly missing. Newcastle, we need to christen. Listen.
Is it really love? Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love? Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine. Is it really love? Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy?
I feel like the ladies are gonna love this one, man. With Craig David on here, man, with this chorus. You kidding me? You can't go wrong, man. You know? This shit's dope too, man. I'm loving this music video. It's just fire, bro.
Is it really love? Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love? Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine. Oh.
Obsessed with the fitness. That booty got me moving with the stiffness. Praying that I finally get a hit this.
Trying to make you mine. Oh.
What the hell? Bro, what is on
Moving
here?
with the stiffness. Praying that I finally get a hit this.
Trying to make
He finally went baldski, huh? Yeah, man, KSI people know that, what that means. But, bro, what is going on here? He's got too much hair to be having the ball cap. That's why it looks crazy, bro. And he on the green screen with the swing. What's about to happen here, man? Oh, this is something.
you mine. Oh.
Wrecking my balls.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. See, this is why I said this man is hilarious. And he's trolling right now, but you know, what's her fucking name, bro? You know, I don't want to say it, but what's her name? You know, the one Wrecking Balls? Fuck, that's gonna bother me. Miley Cyrus. You know she had the song Wrecking Ball? Yeah, that's why he's saying Wrecking My Balls. That's why he's on it's just like her video. That's hilarious, bro. And I was like, well, I was wondering where it was going, and then he just sitting on that wrecking ball. Wrecking my balls.
Then I finally get a hit this.
Trying to make you mine. Oh.
Wrecking my balls. Miley. Making a storm. Kylie.
See, he said wrecking my balls. Miley Cyrus, man. And then he said Kylie. Something about Kylie.
Wrecking my balls. Miley. Making a storm. Kylie. Showing the fans I'm the only. Then clocking the wrist with the timing. Doing it best. Doing it easy. Doing it best. Doing it genie. I got the juice and I'll give you the world. Granting your wishes and doing it well. Let me know when you get freak. You wanna see easy.
See, I love this style, bro. He's going back to old school, you know, like music videos, the way they were produced, man, the production. Y'all know when they were like, he's in the Ice Cube and he's rapping and it's going to the frame where it's like his face is closer and it goes farther away. That's kind of like reminds me a lot of Busta Rhymes, man. He had a lot of, you know, music videos like that. Missy Elliott, you know, a lot of dope artists.
You might know with a bell. I got so many to choose. Which which one you want, cause I'm smitten and under your spell.
Tryna hold it down, but enough's enough. I ain't really used to this thing called love, but I ain't afraid to.
He had the Sideman shout out there with the ice. This fire, bro. This video's fire, y'all. I know I keep saying it, but it is.
Tryna hold it down, but enough's enough. I ain't really used to this thing called love, but I ain't afraid to admit that I'm feeling so vulnerable. So whatever you decide, let me know what's the vibe, cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine. Oh, is it really love? Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love? Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine. Is it really love? Is it all in
Yo, man, I'm fucking
crazy?
tired as hell, yo. Woo! Fire, bro. Fire, bro. Fire, bro. Allow it, fam. Allow it. Come on, y'all. KSI, man, that was dope, isn't it? KSI did it again, isn't it? Nah, you know, I'm just playing, man. Shout out to my UK family, man. Y'all know I love the UK, man. You know, London, yeah, everywhere in the UK, man. Europe, love it. You know, it's my dream to go one day. But anyway, y'all, man, KSI Really Love featuring Craig David and Digital Farm Animals, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, you know. Do me a favor, man. Please don't leave without hitting that like button, that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a video. And yeah, man, check out my podcast channel, NoLimitPodcast, link in the description. NoLimitReacts, my second reaction channel, link in the description. NoLimitPlays, man, my gaming channel, link in the description. Other than that, man, also follow me on Instagram, link in the description. And I got a business email. You know, DM me or email me if you want promos, man. You got music you want me to react to. Other than that, you know, let me know what you guys want to see next in the comment section as well. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Y'all stay safe, stay out the way. I love y'all, man. I'm gone. Peace. NoLimit gang.